Hello, my friends. Let's begin to configure our GitLab Community Edition. Open your Hyper-V Manager. Check if your virtual machine GitLab Community Edition is running. Next, open an internet browser. Type your GitLab Community Edition virtual machine IP or your localhost name. Can be your local host name too, works fine. Your default username is root, then type password you choose before. First, we can fix the registration that is enabled. If you have your GitLab Community Edition installed in your local machine, you don't need this registration enabled. You can click this button, View Settings, or you can click the icon Admin area. Then you can go to Settings and expand Sign Up Restrictions. Uncheck Sign Up Enable. Then scroll down, Save Changes. It's done. The warning disappeared. You can configure these general settings, visibility. Your project can be private. So for now, it's not necessary to change these settings. You can change the maximum attachment size, maximum import size, section duration, diff limits, sign up restrictions that you already changed, sign in restrictions. For now, we don't need to change these settings, general settings. Let's return to admin area. For now, we don't have any project, but we have a user. Okay, the user is the root that is a default user to your enter and config your GitLab Community Edition. We have a group. GitLab instance. Now we need to change our root name, our username. So we can go to our profile, edit, we can change our avatar, status, time settings, our full name. We can change our email. Okay, On the preference, we can change our team, behavior, but what we need change is on our account, change username. So root is the default name, is a security issue. So we can delete this account after we created another administrator account, but simply is we change this name. Update username. If we sign out, choose root. You see that you cannot use this username. But if you choose the name that you created, you can log in. Now we can preferences, account, you see, we can enable two-factor authentication, but this is a local GitLab community edition, so it's not necessary. Profile, we can choose another email. Change our name. Can change our commit email. Can use the private email or your email. You can add your Skype, LinkedIn, Twitter pages, add a bio, and at the bottom you can update profile settings. To activate the new email, you can send the confirmation email. Just click. Can confirm it. Okay, let's check if I get the email. I get my email here. I can confirm it. Okay, it's confirmed. So I have my new email. Now we need to add a SSH key to connect to our GitLab commit edition. We can use a application like Source3. Okay. And then we can add an account to log to our GitLab community edition. If for some reason SMTP configuration when we installed GitLab community edition not work, we can use these options, okay? can use Gmail option. We used this one, if you remember. But if this not work, for some reason, your router ports are closed, or other another reason, we can use Gmail option. Okay, you need to change your email here. You need to create app password at your Gmail account. Your normal password will not work. Okay. At your Google account, you go to security, then sign in into Google. You need to create app password. Here you can select mail, Windows computer, and generate. Okay, done. Then you use that password to add here. The rest is all the same. Okay, it's only you copy after you change these fields and use it to configure SMTP to send your emails. Now we need to add SSH key. Click it. Remember that you already created one. You can use it. Okay, the same key that you use it with PuTTY, you can copy and paste here. You can choose an expiration date and then click Add Key. So we have a SH key. Now we need to create a access token. Okay, we will use it to access from our source tree to our GitLab Community Edition. We can choose the API option or the sudo, but this is more complete read-write access, okay? And you have all assets that you need. You can choose the expire date. You need to create a name. And you click create personal access token. This personal access token key, you need to copy it and save it, okay? Don't lose it. Now let's check if this key works. When you open your source tree application, go to add an account, choose host and service GitLab Community Edition. host URL, you can HTTP, you can choose your local host name or your IP. Preferred protocol, choose SSH, then refresh personal access. You need to use the name of your access token. Then copy and paste your token key. And like you see, it's working. Now you can use your GitLab Community Edition and create some projects. Thank you.